some low-investment business ideas to consider. 1. Freelance services skills required. Writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, etc. Why it works? You can start with just your skills and a computer. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can help you connect with clients. 2. Online tutoring skills. Required. Expertise in a subject or field. Communication skills. Why it works. If you're knowledgeable in a subject like math, science, or languages, you can offer tutoring services online. Tools like Zoom and Skype make this easy. 3. Dropshipping skills. Required. E-commerce, marketing, product sourcing. Why it works. You don't have to keep inventory. Instead, you work with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers, minimizing upfront costs. 4. Affiliate marketing skills required. Marketing, content creation. Why it works. Promote products from other companies and earn commissions on sales. It can be done through blogs, YouTube channels, or social media accounts. 5. Pet sitting or dog walking skills. Required. Basic pet care knowledge. Why it works. This is a service-based business that requires little investment, mainly your time. It can be especially lucrative in urban areas. 6. Virtual assistant skills required. Organization, communication, administrative skills. Why it works. Many businesses hire virtual assistants for tasks like email management, scheduling, and social media management. This business can be run remotely. 7. Print-on-demand skills. Required. Basic graphic design, marketing. Why it works. You can create and sell custom-designed merchandise, t-shirts, mugs, etc., without holding any inventory. Companies like Printful handle printing and shipping. 8. Content creation, YouTube, TikTok, blogging. Skills required. Creativity, content creation. Basic editing skills. Why it works. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Medium allow creators to monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. 9. Cleaning services skills. Required. Cleaning and organizational skills. Why it works. Minimal upfront investment needed. You can start by offering cleaning services to homes or small businesses in your area. 10th. Social media management skills required. Social media expertise, marketing, and communication. Why it works. Many small businesses need help with their social media presence. If you're savvy with platforms like Instagram or Facebook, you can offer social media management services. 11th. Event planning skills required. Organizational skills, communication, creativity. Why it works. If you're good at planning and coordinating events like birthdays, weddings, or corporate meetings, this can be a profitable business with minimal upfront investment. 12th. Home-based bakery or catering skills required. Baking or cooking skills, business management. Why it works. If you enjoy baking or cooking, you can start a home-based bakery or catering service. You can begin by selling to friends, family, or a local farmers markets. 13. Personal fitness trainer skills required. Certification in fitness or personal training. Why it works? With minimal investment in equipment, you can start a personal training business either online or in person. 14th. Lawn care or gardening service skills required. Basic gardening and lawn care knowledge. Why it works. Many homeowners and businesses need lawn care services, and it doesn't require a significant initial investment in tools and equipment. 15. Consulting skills required. Expertise in a specific industry or field. Why it works. If you have experience in a specific area like marketing, finance, or technology, you can offer consulting services to businesses that need help. 16. Photography skills required. Photography skills and equipment. Why it works. If you're passionate about photography, you can start a small business offering portrait, event, or stock photography. 17th. Subscription box service skills. Required curating and marketing skills. Why it works. You can create a subscription box around a niche you're passionate about, e.g., snacks, beauty products, or books. Use dropshipping for product sourcing to keep costs low. 18. Etsy shop. Handmade goods. Skills required. Crafting, art, or design skills. Why it works. If you're creative and enjoy making things by hand, you can sell your creations on platforms like Etsy. 19th. Personal shopper. Stylist skills required. Fashion sense, client communication. Why it works. Many people hire personal shoppers or stylists to help with their wardrobes. This service can be done virtually or in person. 20. Mobile car wash or detailing skills required. Car cleaning and detailing knowledge. Why it works. You can offer mobile car cleaning services and go to clients' homes or workplaces.